going to teach you how to make taiyaki. You will need a taiyaki pan or taiyaki maker. I purchased mine from whoshop-au on Amazon. The ingredients are 2 cups flour, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1 egg, 1 teaspoon vanilla, 1 tablespoon honey, 1 3/4 cups fresh milk, 1 teaspoon matcha, azuki paste that you need to prepare ahead of time. I will make a separate video on how to prepare this. Firstly, we heat up our taiyaki pan or taiyaki maker. Now it's time to mix your flour, egg, baking powder, vanilla, and milk. Make sure that you mix them well to avoid any lumps. Finally, add your 1 tablespoon of honey. And now we're ready. Carefully pour the batter onto the taiyaki pan. Then add your azuki. Pour another layer of batter and make sure you put it evenly. Let it cook for 2 to 3 minutes on each side. And since I don't have a cooling wire, I use plate lined with tissue paper to avoid moisture when I put the cooked taiyaki. Also, I like using chopsticks when transferring the cooked taiyaki onto the plate. I like making big batches so that I can share it with friends. What I like most about taiyaki is that it is versatile. You can put any filling you like. Feel free to experiment. You can use Nutella, peanut butter, cheese, bacon, anything you want. But for me, I prefer using azuki and matcha because I think it is a good combination. You can keep taiyaki in the fridge for up to 3 days and they will remain fresh. You can heat them up in the microwave for 5 to 10 seconds, and also you can heat them up in mini oven toasters. And for the final batch, I am adding matcha to my remaining batter. Matcha is a powder form of green tea. You can use it in cooking, baking, and making drinks. Also, did you know that you can make face masks with matcha? Just mix 1 tablespoon of honey, 1 teaspoon of matcha, mix it well, put it on your face, and leave it for 15 to 30 minutes and then rinse it with warm water. That is the best natural micro exfoliant and moisturizer for your face. And don't forget, clean as you go. I am especially inspired by Japanese people because they are so precise and clean when preparing meals. There you go. This is my first attempt to making taiyaki and I am happy to share my recipe with you. If you liked my video, please don't forget to subscribe and share. Also, feel free to leave your comments below. Thank you for watching!